Good morning from Burton Waters Boat Sales. Today we're going to be taking you around this Rinker 246 Captiva. It's a 2014 example, one owner from new, and it's also been dry stacked from new as well. Now this is one of our stock boats, so it's recently just been polished and it's had a full engine and drive service. It's also got great service history from new. So what we'll do is we'll start along the exterior and then we'll head on inside to show you around. But in my opinion, this Rinker 246 is a great option if you're looking to get into boating or you just want to have the opportunity to spend days on the water with friends and family, because it offers plenty of seating up there and it also gives you the option for overnight stays with the Cuddy, which we'll show you shortly. But starting on the exterior, you've got a real nice shine to it. As I say, it's just been polished, so when the sun's out it really looks fantastic. But overall the gel coat's in good condition and it just breaks it up. You've got the black band, which looks really smart, and then you've got the arch at the top. So this does come with the full cockpit enclosure as well as a tonneau cover. Coming on the aft, you've got your stern drive just below there, and then you've got a good sized bathing platform which we'll come on to in a second, and then you've also got a swim ladder just here on the aft. So if you are using on the coast, then obviously when you're in the water you can climb in very easily. So we won't leave you too long, we'll head up and show you around the boat. So starting things off, you've got a storage locker just in here, so perfect for any fenders, lines, etc. Moving forward a little bit, you've got a good sized sunpad area. And then as we continue to move forward, you can remove this seat just here to make stepping on and off a little easier. But you've got a very good amount of seating here, very sociable space, ideal for four to six guests, I would say. If Fred comes on board now, I can show you. You've got a ice box just below there, so on your days out you can store your drinks. So you're set for the day as well as a picnic if you've got a picnic. As mentioned, you've got the arch, and that can hinge as well. So if you do need to lower your air draft, that can be done. You've got a small sink and basin there, tap and basin, and then you've got a few cup holders dotted throughout. So as we move forward now onto the helm station, fairly simplistic layout, but it does everything you need. So you've got these twin seats at the front and these can swivel. So I'll just demonstrate now. It's very easy to do and it just allows you to have a more sociable space, and also saves a bit of space as well. So it's not taking up any additional seating. And coming on to the helm itself, as mentioned, fairly simplistic. Throttle falls nicely to hand, you've got a good view out, and as we haven't got the canopy up, you've got a 360 view, so excellent view. And then you've just got your switches here, such as cockpit lights, your bilge pump, and then your blower. So going on to the engine, we'll show you the engine bay shortly, but this is equipped with a Mercruiser MAG 350, so producing 300 horsepower, and obviously that's a petrol engine. And then you've just got your general displays in front of us here. So just before we show you the Cuddy, you have got some cockpit speakers in here, and then access onto the bow is typical American style, so up through the centre, and then you've got this entrance up onto the front there. So we'll head into the Cuddy now. And what this offers is either a space for overnight stays, or you can also use it for plenty of storage, which is a varied use between users. You've also got a marine porta potty here, and then you've just got a bit of additional storage in these lockers. And then you've got a radio just there. But it's nice and light in here, doesn't feel dark and dreary. And you've also got an escape hatch above head for a bit of ventilation, but easily doable for an overnight stay or two. So we'll finish up with the engine and then we'll do a roundup for you. So just coming on to the engine bay now, as previously mentioned, this boat is equipped with a Mercruiser MAG 350 producing 300 horsepower, and it's been serviced as well as the outdrive receiving a full service, and it will come supplied with a 3-month engine warranty. But access is really easy. You just open the hatch, which is located on the sun pad, and it gives you great access onto the engine bay. It's been stored on a dry stack from new. It's just received a full engine service, drive service, and it's been polished. And it will come supplied with a 3-month engine warranty. We can arrange transport throughout the UK, and if you need finance, we can put you in touch with people to help arrange finance. It's priced at $34,950. It's a 2014 boat, so please get in touch if you'd like any more information, and we'll leave the listing below in the description.